no problem, come to personality or character overseas. But because the position doesn't, that's why if the person said NA, that's what I did to one of my guys. He was very happy as a supervisor. I want to send him for training. He doesn't want. He said, LC, I don't want. I'm happy in this position. I'm single. I just need this kind of payment. Look after myself. I said, no. The events, external world will move on. He doesn't believe. And then, what happened? 2 years later, we came to church. Why? The young ones come in. They're all sent for training. Their skills are better than your skill. Has it got to do with your personality? No. It has to do with your skill set. This position requires this skill.